zonal, but Lupin as well will be reporting their numbers tomorrow. Ekta's with us to tell us the top 5 expectations from these numbers. Ekta.
Thanks for that. Well, on a year-on-year basis, expect revenue to grow by around 5 to 7 odd percent, EBITDA to come in at around 510 crores with a margin of around 12% versus 7%, and a profit of around 156.8 crores. Now, the numbers will be supported by a low base because Q4FY23 EBITDA was down 63% year-on-year. Margins came in at a multi-quarter low of around 6.9%, and there was a loss on account of impairment as well. This quarter, the revenue of around 7 odd percent growth is expected to be led by the US business because of the bowel drug Suprep generic actually managing to pick up some amount of pace and offsetting any kind of decline from the flu products. Estimates are that the company could make $180 to $192 million versus $177 million on a Q-on-Q basis from the US. Domestic market likely to pick up pace versus Q3 when it was up around 3.3% on a year-on-year basis. Margins, like I mentioned, should bounce back from that multi-quarter low on a year-on-year basis. Q-on-Q, it's expected to be flattish at around 12 odd percent. Commentary with regards to the inhaler drug Spiriva generic will be watched out most closely, considering that the target action date or a possible approval timeline from the US FDA was expected or is expected in the next couple of weeks. So that's going to be something which is going to be extremely critical, probably even more critical than the numbers themselves.
All right.